Good morning, Orchard STEM School. This is Mr. Hoydick, your art teacher. Today we are going to draw an excavator. It's a familiar vehicle from construction sites. It clears the ground of rubble, moves vast quantities of soil and dirt. We're going to start with three shapes: triangle, rectangle, oval. Perfect. The large triangle will become the jointed arm that helps pick up the dirt. I'm going to make the bucket down here. It's going to be a polygon. Let's put it right there, and we'll make a triangle here. Okay, 1, 2, just like that. Now, on this rectangle, we're going to make another rectangle horizontally on the axis. Put it right there. There we go. Yep. All right, now the cab is right over the track. So right here is going to be the cab. Make that a little darker. And let's see, we're going to draw another line in the middle here. We're going to draw another line in the middle here. This one's extra. Might want to angle this a little bit. Time to put another half of an oval off of that one. So up here, we want to add a line here, add a line here. You can see the bucket is starting to form. At the top here, let's see. Put that there. Another triangle here. And add a line there. Let's see. Let's get some more of that cab together. There we go. Okay, starting to come together. Let's make a line on this oval and one over here as well. You can see these are going to be the tracks. Here's the cab. Here's the large bucket, the arm and the bucket. Oh, do you know what? I also want to add right here a little detail in here. That's a line I like. This one can come out. Now, let's make a window in the front of the cab. We can make a window on the side of the cab. We can make a square around the cab. Now let's add some tracks. Add an oval here. Let's see here. Add an oval here. And then we need to add half a circle, half an oval. We'll make them 2 lines, connect the tracks to the cab. Let's add some treads on the front here and on the front there. Now, clean this up a little bit, clean this up a little bit. Add some teeth here, that helps it cut and gouge into the earth. Right here, we want to have it so it's articulated. So that'll be 3 small ovals with a circle. Like that. Let's make a piston here. That's a main part of it. Up here, we can finish this up. I'm going to put a circle here. There we go. Extra line. And I want to make this a little straighter here. And there we go, that's where it connects. Let's see, right here we're going to make another hydraulic piston. It goes right to here. And we're going to need to add some circles. It shows where it can move. Let's put a rectangle here. Here's a power cable. It could be a hydraulic line. Some more lines there. Finally, we want an outline of the operator, and we'll just shade this in, we'll shade that in. Let's see, we want to shade in here, add a little bit of shade there. Add some details down here. We could shade in between. And there we go. Darker there. And we can't forget bit of background or environment. Over here, I'm going to put a big pile of rocks. You can draw the pile first and then just break down where you want your rocks. There we go. There we go. So please try it at home. Post it in the comments. I would love to see your work. I hope you've enjoyed our excavator today. Have a great day. Be safe.